Welcome all of you in online teaching learning process. We have started paper number 7 inorganic chemistry, in which we have started unit number 1st coordination chemistry, and in our last lecture we have seen about the IUPAC nomenclature of the coordination compounds, and in this lecture we will see isomerism in complexes with coordination number 4 and 6, in which sub point is geometrical isomerism, optical isomerism and structural isomerism. So we will start isomerism in complexes with coordination number 4 and 6. Isomerism in coordination compounds. Isomerism in coordination compounds divided into mainly two types, that is stereoisomerism and structural isomerism. Stereoisomerism further divided into two types, geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism, and structural isomerism further divided into four types, that is linkage isomerism, ionization isomerism, coordination isomerism and hydrate isomerism. So in case of isomerism in coordination compounds, then what are the isomers? That is compounds that have the same composition but a different arrangement of atoms are called as isomers. That is the same formula but arrangement of atoms are different are called as isomers. Then major types of isomers are stereoisomers, which are further divided into geometrical, optical, and structural isomers divided into linkage, coordination, ionization and hydrate or solvate isomerism. So in case of isomers, that is different compounds with same molecular formula, the same composition but different arrangement of atoms are called as isomers. And what are stereoisomers? That is isomers that have same molecular formula and connectivity but differ in the way the atoms are oriented in space. That is, the difference between two stereoisomers lies only in the three-dimensional arrangement of atoms. What are the stereoisomers? That is isomers which are having same molecular formula but and connectivity but differ in the arrangement of the atoms or way the atoms are oriented in space. That is space chemistry. Stereo means space chemistry. In this we are studying the that is the overall orientation of that molecule in the space, so are called as stereoisomers. And stereochemistry means chemistry that studies the properties of stereoisomers. So stereoisomers divided into two types, geometrical and optical. Then first is the geometrical isomers. With these geometrical isomers there are two examples, that is one is the cis form, these are the chlorine and these are the ammonias, and central one is a platinum. And in cis form two chlorines near to each other, and in trans form two chlorines are opposite to each other. With these geometrical isomers, two chlorines and two ammonia groups are bonded to the platinum metal but are clearly different one. So in case of cis isomers, which are having like groups are on the same side like this cisplatin, and in case of trans isomers have like groups on opposite side, that is transplatin. That is in geometrical isomer each atom this same bonding, this same arrangement in space but different, that is arrangement in space is different but bonding is same, it's called as geometrical isomer or stereoisomers. That is different arrangements. One is a cis form, second one is a trans form. Cis means near to each other, trans means opposite to each other, in which we are studying CN4. CN means coordination number 4 complexes. When CN4, possible structures will be tetrahedral and square planar. Geometrical isomerism is not possible in tetrahedral complexes as all 4 positions are identical or same. That is, in case of tetrahedral complexes, geometrical isomerism is not possible. So it is very common in square planar complexes. For example, complexes of the type MA4, MA3B. A means ligand, B means also ligand, A3B, MAB3 have no geometrical isomerism, where M, that is central metal, ABCD different unidentate monodentate ligands. Complexes of the type MA2B2, MABCD, MA2BC, MAB twice, which are exhibiting cis trans isomerism. Then we are seeing some examples. First one is the MA2B2 type. Example first, platinum NH3 twice, Cl twice. Then nomenclature of this compound is, that is diamine dichloroplatinum second. So in this case, cis form, that is 2 chlorines are near to each other, or 2 amine groups are near to each other, which is a cis form. When they are opposite to each other, then they are called as trans form. So this is a cis form complex and trans form complex. Then next example, that is palladium NO3 twice, NH3 twice, that is diamine dinitrito palladium second. So in case of cis form, 2 amines are near to each other, but in trans form 2 amine groups are opposite to each other. So this is about the MA2B2 geometrical isomerism. Then next example, MABCD type. Example, platinum NH3, pyridine, chlorine, bromine. Then what is the nomenclature of this compound? So for alphabetical type, amine, first one. So amine chloro, amine bromo, then chloro, pyridine, platinum second. So here platinum ABCD type. So here the complex will be formed, platinum surrounded by 4 different atoms. So here platinum surrounded by chlorine, bromine, pyridine and amine in first arrangement, but in second arrangement the position is changed. That is, chlorine is kept at this position, bromine shifted this position. So this is the total different arrangement from first one. And in third complex, that is here pyridine and bromines are replaced. In each and every complex, one atom ammonia is kept fixed, but all the atoms are reversed. So we are getting different complexes. Here select first any one ligand, that is ammonia, fix, then place remaining 3 ligands one by one trans to ammonia. That is, all the chlorine, bromine, pyridine in each and every complex are kept trans to ammonia, and we are getting different structures. Then next example, MA2BC type, palladium Cl2 Bri 2 minus. So nomenclature of this complex is dichloro, or for alphabetical purpose, bromo dichloro iodoplatinum second. So in this complex, here cis trans isomerism studied with chlorine 1. Chlorine kept adjacent to each other, we are getting cis 1, and opposite to each other we are getting trans 1. And in case of MAB2 type, where AB is a bidentate unsymmetric ligand, for example platinum glycine twice, that is bis-glycineto platinum second. Glycine, the formula is NH2CH2COO minus. So here in cis form, NH2CH2COO minus, and that is NH2 groups and oxygen groups are adjacent to each other, but in trans form they are opposite to each other. So this is about the cis trans isomerism in case of coordination number 4. So thank you all of you for listening this video.